Struggling to find reliable entry points in Forex? What if the market could tell you when to buy or sell without guessing? This strategy uses color-coded RADS bars to simplify entries. This is the RADS Bars Forex Trading Strategy, designed to turn messy charts into clear, actionable signals. Here's the breakdown. RADS bars. Color changes show trend strength and momentum. Moving averages. Confirm trend direction. Filter rules. Avoid noise and false breakouts. You only take trades when RADS bars and trend direction line up. You don't guess. You follow confirmed signals. Buy setup. 1. Price is above a key moving average and the MA is sloping upward. 2. RADS bars turn green. Bullish momentum showing buyers in control. 3. Wait for a green RADS bar close above the MA. Enter buy on the close of that confirming bar. Exit buy. RADS bars flip back to red. Price closes below the moving average. Sell setup. 1. Price is below the moving average with the MA sloping downward. 2. RADS bars turn red. Bearish momentum building. 3. Enter sell when a red RADS bar closes below the MA. Exit. Sell. RADS bars switch to green. Price closes above the moving average. Risk management matters. Always set your stop loss just beyond the last swing high or low, and aim for at least a 2.1 reward-to-risk ratio to protect your capital. Trade only when the trend and momentum agree. It's that simple. Visit forexmt4indicators.com to download the free RADS Bars strategy indicators and templates and start spotting clearer trade signals today. Like and follow for more quick Forex tips.